Hello everyone, welcome to the February Happy Mail haul, aka everything that showed up in my P.O. box during the month of February. I'm late filming this and getting this up. It's just been a minute. But anywho, let's jump into it. We have this one from Nancy in Arizona. This was actually for the January theme, which was circles. And I just love, she also added it to the envelope, and then it still kind of applies to the February theme anyway, even though I say I will show regardless, whether it shows up late or, you know, whatever. I'm not such a huge stickler on the themes that it's like, I'm not going to show it. I just think it's funny. It's like, ooh, this does go with the February theme anyway, because there's like, I don't know if you guys can see the shimmer. Kind of. You can kind of see it, but she used like the, I think she used the Sakura sparkle pen on these. Yeah, and it just adds like sparkle. There's some gold splatter. I like it. There's sparkle on these little wood embellishments. Fun. Really, really like that. Really like the circles added to that, and like it just ties it all together so nicely. So really like that. So thank you, Nancy. And then I've got this one from Cindy in Quebec. And I'm like, yeah, that's the Nouveau shimmer powder. So pretty. So pretty. So yeah. Love. I find you very appealing. And then again, the envelope. Love that. Like brown envelope and then the bananas. Yellow heat embossed. How fun is that? So fun. Love, 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 love. So that one. And then we have this one from Sue in California. It's just really cute. Love how it's like personalized to me. And something you said, you're not an artist or a professional crafter. Neither are the rest of us, in a sense. Like there are some full-on like professionally trained artists and everything that are in card making and all that stuff. And I've said this in other videos and I'll keep saying it. Don't compare. Especially to the ones you see online or people that have been doing it for years and years and years. Like everyone has their own unique style. Everyone is at a different, you know, you've just started or like whatever it is, I love showing everyone's cards. I do see that a lot. I get comments and messages about that like, oh, I'm not good enough. Don't ever think that. Seriously, 100% don't ever think that. I love seeing what everyone's creating regardless. Everyone has their own unique little thing. And you got to start somewhere, and we're all learning from each other. It's just fun. This is a hobby. It's fun. Yes, people like me and others do this as a job, but it's still a hobby. It is still just fun. There is not competition. And if people are seeing it as like a competition or anything, well, I think they need to just start rethinking it. Anyway, there's I could go on, and I have gone on whole long rants about that. But yeah, I think your card is great, and I like how you personalize it and put like maple leaves. I just think that's so cute. Like, it's just fun, you know, little red rhinestones, boots, class, and a little bit of sass. So thank you. I think this is just adorable. So I got that one. And then we got this one from Stephanie in Germany, and I actually forgot right before I started filming, I had forgot what the theme for February was, and I had to remind myself, because when I pulled this card out, I was like, oh, it's so sparkly and shimmery, and I love it. And then that was the February theme, was sparkle, shimmer, derp. That should be the theme every month, because I love the sparkle and the shimmer. Isn't that fun? Love it. And then the die cuts and the letters are covered in like glossy accents, so they're all glossy as well, which I just love. So fun. And then the envelope, I really like that, just masking off an area for the address and then stamping with a background stamp. How perfect is that? Like, I never think to do something like that, and that's so simple. And the envelope's actually made from cardstock, so I'm just not going to show the back because it's got her address on it, but I like that. And I need to do that more often, because especially if you make your envelope out of cardstock, it's much like heavyweight cardstock. It's super sturdy. You know, things I like to think about. Anyway, so I got that, and then I got these two from Gloria in a fun Valentine's theme. And we got a sparkly little, like, really neat little heart embellishment on there. these cute little elephants, and then we've got a little like fairy and more glitter and rhinestones. So cute. So that, and I've got this one from Miranda. Lots of glitz and sparkle and silver heat embossing, and then like glitter strips added to the inside. Oh yeah, like isn't that sparkle fun? Love. So that one. And then I've got these two, and I'd read the letter in, I think it was the last Happy Mail haul. These are from Persia. Oh, I think that's how I pronounce the name. Sorry, Persia? Is that how you pronounce it? And Lena in Finland. So they craft together, and then they just sent everything like in the same, and then it was all labeled so I knew what was what. I think that's just so fun. So we've got this one. And again, sparkly, love. There's some foil, again, love. I really like that for the inside to like kind of continue the scene and then just mask off an area to write. I like that. More sparkle. The envelopes all coordinate as well. Like how fun is that? So that one, and this one is by Lena. And yeah, we got more like foil and some sparkle and some rhinestones. Isn't that fun? Love. And then the cardstock itself too for the base is all shimmery. I'm just like loving. Like I said, I should do this every month. Like just make them sparkly. It makes me happy. So really fun. You guys just knocked it out of the park yet again. So absolutely love everything. And as always, for those that are watching, if you have questions or just want to leave some love, do that in the comment section below so that those who sent in can read it or can respond, etc. Always a huge thank you to my patrons. I don't mention that enough. I should more often. So huge thank you to my top tier patrons as well as to all my patrons. You guys are enabling me to do what I do. And then thank you to all you guys that have sent in. If you're not familiar with how this works or whatever, there's some info in the description box below, as well as I will have a direct link on my blog post. And then it just kind of lays it all out, how this works, etc. It's pretty basic. I just pile everything up throughout the month that shows up in my P.O. box, and then I sit down and film it for all you guys to show off what everyone is creating and coming up with. And it's just fun. Like no pressure, no anything. Like, yeah, it's just a fun way to kind of see your cards online. I love sharing what it is that you guys make. I love reading your letters, all of that. I think it's amazing. So that is it for today. Info will be in the description box below. Please leave some comments for everyone. I just think you guys did an amazing job. And I will see you all very soon in the next video.